माता की जय हिंद, जय मां भारती।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ओम तिवारी जी। संघर्ष ही जीवन का सबसे बड़ा शिक्षक है, ये कहा था महामना मदन मोहन मालवीय जी ने। अब मैं आमंत्रित करूंगी अक्षय शशांक दानी जी को, जो हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं, महाराष्ट्र से आए हैं। अक्षया हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं, महाराष्ट्र से आई हैं और पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी पर अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करेंगी। जोरदार तालियां अक्षया जी के लिए।
Namaskar. Greetings to honorable dignitaries, officers and esteemed member of this gathering. I am Akshaya Shashankadani from the state of Maharashtra, district Jalgaon. Today I stand before you to pay homage to a national leader whose life reminds us that the true strength of a nation lies not just in its institution, but the conscience that guides them. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. When we pay homage to national leaders, we do not merely recount their achievements. We reflect on the values that shaped our nation and continue to guide its democratic conscience. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji was not only a freedom fighter, educationist, and a parliamentarian. He was a voice of a moral courage in a public life. At a time when political pressure was intense, he demonstrated that true leadership lies not in convenience but in conviction, not in volumes but in values. In the Imperial Legislative Council, his interventions were marked by clarity, restraint, and unwavering commitment to the dignity of the people. He believes that Parliament derives its true strength not merely from authority, but from the conscience with which that authority is exercised. It was this rare combination of integrity, compassion, and discipline that led the whole nation to remember him as a Mahamana, a great soul in a public life. His vision found lasting expression in the building of Banaras Hindu University, an institution built on the ideal that education must serve the nation. The university's guiding spirit, captured in its motto, Vidyaya Amrutam Mashrute, that reflect his belief that education must nurture intellect and moral responsibilities. For his lifelong service to the nation and to public life, he was posthumously honored with Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, a recognition not merely for achievement, but for a character. For his conduction and conviction, Malviya ji stood by the spirit of Satyameva Jayate, reminding the Parliament and the nation that truth and conviction always prevail over convenience and power. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Akshaya. Our next speaker is Anish.